If you live in New York State, one of the topics that comes up this time of year, mid-January, is moving out, moving south, moving to warmer climates. It's not uncommon. It's been going on for years. And New Yorkers are leaving for other reasons as well, but we're not here to discuss those today. But, New York is the fourth most searched state to move out of. And that's behind New Jersey, California, and Illinois. So a big question might come up is, where are people moving to and what are the hot markets going into 2023? Well, obviously, a lot of people are moving south. They're looking for the sunshine, the warm climate, lower taxes, obviously, is one of the reasons that people leave. And, they're kind of searching around, looking around. And most people that leave the area, Binghamton especially, leave and head down to Charlotte, North Carolina. And that's been going on for years. It originally started back when IBM had a plant there, and a lot of people took the opportunity to transfer out of Endicott and Owego to go down to Charlotte. But as we move into 2023, things are changing a little bit. Over the past few years, COVID drove things quite a bit. A lot of people went down to Florida and Texas, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, and for obvious reasons, which I've already mentioned. But coming into 2023, it looks like the number one place to go is going to be Charlotte. And that's followed by Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Dallas, and Nashville. Nashville's kind of remained on the top, within the top 10 and probably within the top 5 for several years now. It's a state that offers, Tennessee that is, offers low taxes, a lot of places to go. And Nashville's kind of driven a lot of the people going down in that area. Knoxville is a very popular area as well. So the good news for buyers traveling about is that monthly housing costs have really seemed to have stopped climbing. We're looking at some settled interest rates, and the market itself is actually taming itself. We're not seeing, even in some of the high demand areas, we're not seeing the multiple offers like we used to. And that's across the country. Not just here in Binghamton. The multiple offers have kind of quieted down quite a bit. And in the same breath, people are becoming a little more conscious about the prices they're paying for homes. So we are seeing across the country a little bit of a price adjustment. Now, again, some of this is seasonal, but when you get out of the north in particular, get into some of the southern states, we are seeing prices adjust accordingly to the market. And will they continue? I expect it will. I expect that we're going to see a good year for buyers and sellers as well. I don't think sellers are going to see any hurt out of all this. And all in all, I think we're going to see a real good real estate market no matter where you go. So again, the top places to go, the top 10 places: Charlotte, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Dallas, Nashville, Jacksonville, Kansas City, Miami, Atlanta, and surprisingly, Philadelphia. Atlanta and Philadelphia both kind of surprised me a little bit. But they are the predicted hottest markets for 2023. Florida, it seems, has really dropped off the map. Miami is still a hot area, but Florida itself seems to be kind of losing its momentum. Could be because prices jumped up so much down there over the last 3 years. Could be because of the recent hurricanes down there that have caused a lot of damage. Not really quite sure. But in any event, people now are looking at the Carolinas and Tennessee. Another interesting fact, too, is that Austin, Texas has become a very, very expensive place to live now. Buy a home, cost of living there has gone up dramatically. So Austin, Texas has actually fallen off the favorites. So if you're thinking about moving, want to discuss your situation, I can hook you up with a realtor wherever you're going across the country. I have a number of contacts. And by all means, you know, if you're thinking about selling or buying in this area here, Binghamton area, Greater Binghamton, even across different areas of New York, I can really help you out there. Let's talk. Let's see what your situation is and see what your best move is. All right? You may call anytime, text, email, cell phone 607-759-4760. Thanks. Have a great day.